Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying your Apple ID and device readiness. Sign in to Settings or System Preferences so the iTunes Store recognizes you. Once done, update the OS to avoid compatibility errors, because outdated software often blocks purchases and downloads. Make sure a valid payment method or an App Store gift code is available to complete transactions. If you use two-factor authentication, have your trusted device nearby to receive verification codes. This prevents interruptions when you first connect. You now open iTunes or the Music app and sign in with your Apple ID. This links your account to the iTunes Store so purchases and library items sync. Next, set your country or region to match the billing address of your payment method. Mismatches cause declined transactions. Then enable media and purchases and automatic downloads so content flows to your devices. This ensures purchased items appear without manual transfer. Finally, verify purchase restrictions and parental controls are set the way you want. You finish by testing the connection with a free download or a preview. This confirms your account and settings work before you spend money. If the download fails, restart the device, then sign out of the Apple ID and sign back in to refresh tokens and permissions. Make sure payment details are current and match your billing address. Also check Apple system status if the store is down. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting tip is to remove and re-add your payment method, then retry the purchase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.